Hey fellow entrepreneurs, in this video I'm super excited to share with you how you can earn $500 in a day typing names online. And you can see right here a guaranteed prize of $100 for naming an apartment building, another guaranteed prize of $100 for naming a consultancy company, another $200 for naming a health company, another $150, another $200. And the best part about this, you don't need any skills. You can do this worldwide. You don't need a website. You can log on anytime and you can enter names and stand a chance of winning. Now, disclaimer, that is not guaranteed that you are going to win every time. There is a chance, as there are other people also entering these contests. But I'm going to give you a ton of tips, tools and tricks in this video that can boost your chances by 90% by winning these contests. So if you're ready for this value packed video, stick with me as I'm going to show you these awesome tools and tricks, and let's get straight into it. So if you have a keyboard and a set of fingers, this video is really going to be perfect for you. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to come over to Google, and we're going to search for a website called squadhelp.com. And here we can enter contests for entering names, for designing logos, and for entering business names as well. And we can get paid a lot of money for that. As you saw, as you can see right here, guaranteed prizes of $100 plus. And here are people that have currently won in the last couple of days. So you can see this person right here, Putel 1950 won $300 2 days ago, $200 2 days ago, $150, $300, $300, $200. So people are constantly winning on this website, and you can be listed here. So this is where I'm going to help you and give you these tips and tools to win these contests. So the first thing you want to do is you want to sign up on this website. Name, email, password, it's super easy to do. And you want to come over to your dashboard on your account, and you can see right here you've got a marketplace, you've got contests, and you've got winners. So we obviously want to enter contests for entering names. So I'm going to come over to the contest tab, and I'm going to come over to active contests, and you can see a ton of active contests right here. And if I come over to the winners and the recent winners, and if the leaderboard as well, contests one, you can see here are the top people earning on this website. And this really interests me. You can see this person right here, Litondo or Litodino, has won 11 contests in the last month and has won a total amount of $55,000 on this website. So this is not a Mickey Mouse website where you're earning peanuts. You can earn a lot of money on this website because that is the potential of this method. And you can see here IMD $16,000, Legenda $108,000, Marts $4,000. This person has won $108,000 in their total career working on this website, which is absolutely crazy. You can see right here, Bet Slogan, $21,000, $33,000, $14,000. So people are really earning big sums of money. And I'm not saying this is what you're going to earn, but this is what consistency, persistency, and patience can do for you on this website. So you can see right here, if I come back to the active contest page and I come to naming, and a disclaimer is that they do charge $10 for you to be able to enter or start naming contests. It's a once-off amount, a lifetime amount of $10 that the website charges, and you can enter naming contests. Logo contests and tagline contests are completely free to do. I'm not sure why they've decided to charge $10 for the naming contest, but it's the way it is. But it could probably be the best little $10 investment that you can make. So I'm here on the active contest page, and I'm going to filter by newest because I want to enter the latest ones, and we want to make sure that we apply to all of these. And you can see these are guaranteed prizes of $100, $300, $200. You can see right here, this one so far is 632 entries, a slogan for a lighting company, a descriptive tagline for a Blue State Accounting. Let's keep going and see if we can find one. Yeah, a Milestone Health Services tagline, brand name for a consulting company, and I'm going to choose this one right here, website name for a business. You can see this person says I am a psychotherapist, similar to a psychologist, but I do not have a doctorate degree, and I work with women. So I'm going to click on this example because I want to find out more about it. So you can see a contest type is a naming or a company name. It's a website name for a business. The type of name is a website. What is your business or brand about? So I'm a psychotherapist, and I work with women virtually to help them overcome overeating, binge eating, and emotional eating. So you can see they've got to do with eating disorders such as eating when stressed, depressed, or angry, etc. And you can see want a .com URL, yes, but minor variations are allowed. So they definitely want a .com name, so it must be .com. That is the requirement they ask for. Any additional details, so the ideal client is a woman who is frustrated, so more information there. United States, woman names like food freed formula, intuitive eating. So let's go, for example, you can see maximum number of limits, no limits, open to all, blends, Sharpcast, Instagram, and Wikipedia. So I'm actually going to use, for example, some of the keywords that they have here. So I'm going to head over to a website called Namelix.com, which is a business name generator, and I'm going to enter, let's go food formula, for example, food formula, because that's a keyword that they were obviously interested in. So let's go short names, all type of names, short, medium, and long names. And we're going to wait for that to generate. And you can see a Neo Food, meal.ly, food, CY, Foodiro, Foodota, Foodanic, Nutrishka or Nutrica, N-Food Farms, Foodcast. So there are a ton of names that you could submit to the specific name a contest and stand a big chance of winning this. There's another business naming website or name generator that you can use. So I'm going to go business name generator, and I'm going to head over to businessnamegenerator.com, which is an alternative that you can also use. So let's go, for example, let's go back here, psychotherapist to work with them virtually. Let's go food formula, click on generate. We can see what comes up. Just open a new time. Formulazy, that's actually quite a nice one. I actually really like that one. Formulazy, Formula Presto, Formula Detox. So I actually prefer this website to Namelix. So you can play around. There's many other business name generators that you can use as well, but I would use for this specific contest Formulazy. I really like that. I think that's got a good chance of winning, and you can submit this on this name contest and stand a big chance of winning. In this case, I think it was $100. Let me come back quickly to see. Yes, $100, and there's only been 4 entries so far. So what we can do is, now that we've got our name, we can click to check the availability. So Formulazy, we can see right here if it's available on domain. Formulazy.com is available. So what we can do is we can click on register now, and we can recommend this name to this business, because we can see that this name is available for 15 Rand, which is about or $1, and then $2.89, which is about $20 for every year after that. So that is available to this business. It is a name that is available and that you can submit to this contest, which is really cool. Because it's available, there is a chance of you winning this. And remember, it has to be a .com name that they specifically specify. That is why I made sure it is Formulazy.com. And the great thing about Squad Help, guys, is that you just need to win once or twice a month, and you've already earned an amazing minimum or wage for the month, such as $200-300 for that month. Some contests are even more than that, and anything else that you win above that is literally going to be a sustainable income on a monthly basis. So what I suggest is go through all the contests on those pages, apply for each and every one in each and every industry, and use the tools that I've provided in this video, and you will stand a chance of winning a good income with this site. And what I also suggest is you can sign up multiple accounts. So if you have 10 different accounts, you can do 10 submissions on the same contest, standing a chance of winning 10 times, or the 10 times more of a chance of winning that $100 on that post or that contest. So what I suggest is sign up with 10 accounts, apply 10 times on each and every contest, and you will definitely have a much higher chance of winning and earning a full-time income on this website. So what you could do is you could take 10 accounts, take $100 out of your pockets or out of your bank, invest it on this website, and you can basically go and apply 10 different names of those 10 different accounts on Squad Help, and you will stand a big chance of winning $100 in one contest. So you can make your money back literally the first day by winning one contest. If you guys enjoyed this video, leave a comment down below what you think of the strategy. I definitely like that 10 account strategy. I think that is something I will try myself. Also, if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe down below with the notifications on. I've got some awesome gifts for you guys coming for Christmas time. I want you to stay tuned to the channel because I'm going to give away a ton of Christmas gifts for you guys that will really be valuable to you guys, and that I think you guys can use for your online businesses and starting an online business. But that I'll announce closer towards the time, so make sure you stick with me on the channel until then. But also leave a like on this video if you enjoyed it. Every single one of you subscribed already. I appreciate all of your support so much. But if you guys are ready for tomorrow's video, leave the notifications on so that I can send you a message as soon as it's posted. But until then, take care, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video.